Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and as we all know, there is a Thanksgiving in most of the countries and it's a holiday, therefore as a result we are witnessing very less volatility in the market. But except the JPY pairs, in the JPY pairs we are witnessing heavy fall on the charts, whether it is CAD JPY, USD JPY, GBP JPY. Only JPY pairs are having good volatility. Rest of the market is mostly flat, whether it is Euro USD, GBP USD, because the participation of traders is not much right now. So as a result, volatility risk and there may be some unusual fluctuations in the market, so be very careful. So if you look at the chart of GBP JPY, then you can see that right now market is standing at the support of one. Market came down to the support of 152.50 level and market is trying to recover. So if we just consider the support here, then this really looks like a good buy right now, considering the support of the market. But if we look at the currency strength meter here, you can see currency strength meter JPY is the strongest currency for the day, and right now JPY is extremely strong. And in a scenario like this, okay, going against the strength of Japanese yen is very risky. So though we have a support here, but still there is a possibility of market breaking the support and going down. Okay, so there is a possibility of market breaking the support and going down, as Japanese yen is the strongest currency. But still, if you want to take a buy position here, then it's totally your decision. Just keep in mind that you do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because you are taking a risk and still it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. One bad trade should not be wiping out your capital and the profit for the whole week. And beginners and new traders, you can avoid trading for a day. Okay, and apart from this level, I do not see any opportunity right now. Okay, one more opportunity that may come is if market breaks the level of 152.50. Yes, if market breaks the level of 152.50 with good amount of volume. Yes, volume is very essential. Okay, so if market breaks the level with good amount of volume, and wait for 2 to 3 hours and just see how the market is doing or reacting. If you find market is still trading below the level, then you will understand that yes, volume is there in the market, at least for JPY pairs. Okay, and then you can take a sell position. But if you really want to avoid trading for Friday because of the Thanksgiving, it's totally cool, you can avoid and you should be avoiding mostly. Okay. So first is taking a buy here, and if market breaks the level and start going down, you can also take a sell here. These two are the trading opportunities right now. So whatever you do, be very careful and please follow proper risk management, because this analysis can be wrong as well. So it's your responsibility to protect your money. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow with the detailed analysis for the next week.